Hello guys, wanted today to talk about one interesting topic about the myth that some people born with special language gen or they born good at languages. I will tell you today about my opinion on this topic, yeah, because very often just very smart people come to classes and they say, oh, I was so bad in languages, or I was not succeed in school, I tried to learn French, I tried to learn German and it was so terrible. Then also they start telling me awful stories about teachers, yeah, because really teachers uh, 20 30 40 years ago were really strict, and I understand that some people have traumas about these topics. I can tell the same about me. And yes, really, especially people who are older than 30 think like that. And we can say yes, children have some advantages. Children, I say very small children, they really study faster, but they study faster from their friends, yeah, when they are playing, talking. For us it's impossible now for adults to learn this way the language. It will be too slow and not practical at all. What we have instead of it, we understand grammar concepts, especially guys who are programmers, who are engineers. For you it should be just very interesting, this topic. So we have motivation and we have self-discipline. We are adults, and this is what give us advantages. We really can study much faster when we have some experience, for example, even in your job, in your work. So first of all, your brain is not a machine that stayed the same. No, your brain is a muscle. So every time you regularly do some steps, you learn new words, you have your brain become working different, yeah, and with every step you become a bit another person, and your brain even physically changes. Then guys who think that you need 10,000 hours of Russian to speak Russian, no, this is not truth. You need maybe at least 400 600 hours of very concentrated work. And if your plan not a world class language, if you just need to travel to Russia or speak with the Russian people, and this is absolutely achievable. So my experience of my student language, especially new language, it's more about how much you like it, how much energy you have and free time you have to work on it, and just your discipline, doing homework and all these aspects. Because I often see like how people who say they had really big problems with languages at school now learn even Russian. My opinion, Russian is more complicated than Spanish, French, and they say Russian is easier for them just because they like it, they work on it, they regularly do everything, they don't have fear of me, for example, and they start really faster. Then very important is the way how you study. If you don't have structured plan, if you work only with old books without practical exercises, yeah, when we take books we always need to choose something what is oriented on speaking. Sure, for example, in my classes, sure, we do exercises on grammar, but all books we take now, modern books, they are focused on speaking. This is why it's kind of complicated to study language yourself, because we usually do exercises about describing something, answering questions, discussions, and modern books really are oriented on speaking, except of the special books about grammar topics. Then also about expectations, I also hear it from some guys, they plan to study Russian in 3 months, but in 3 months you can learn very basic things. For example, for travel alphabet, vocabulary about food, restaurant, something else, but you will not feel confident while you will speak with Russians. So actually, when you watch these videos about polyglots who speak 10 languages, don't forget, first of all, they can not speak all these languages in a high level. They can be not fluent in all languages. Yeah, for all the people speaking languages, different stories. Maybe a person can just communicate on a super basic level and decided he speak this language. If we talk about people who speak many languages, they do this not because they are more talented than you. They do this because, for example, they learned French, and for them already much easier to learn Spanish, Italian. Sure, if you will start learning Chinese, Arabic, then Italian, already another story. Yeah. So most important here is just do what you really like, and don't be afraid to look strange or stupid while you're speaking. So why I talk about all these things? You need to choose to find your own method that really will work better for you. Learning language is more about strategy, methodology, about patience, about habits, and not about only talent, because talented people can be not structured and they just will not achieve their goal. And if you still believe that you are not talented enough for languages, you can try to book a Russian language class with me. I give individual online classes. All the links will be in description to this video. Guys, write in comments who are still afraid to start learning new language, maybe not Russian, which language you learn right now, why you didn't start, or maybe you started and you feel like you're in a plateau, or how you feel now. Usually when we have the beginning of new seasons, now season just started, we have more motivation, yeah, to do something, to achieve the goals. So now it's really a good time to start whatever you planned for spring. So guys, write in comments what you plan to do this spring. Maybe you plan, I don't know, jogging, to travel somewhere. Will be interesting to read. Have a good day. See you soon.